Hey YouTube, Josh here, and today I finally got an air compressor. I've been shopping around for a while and I was waiting for the right deal, and it happened to come on Black Friday. So let me show you what I ended up getting and why I chose this air compressor. So I've been using this little central pneumatic air compressor for a few years, and it has been a workhorse. I've filled up the truck tires, the trailer tires for many years, but you did have to be very patient, and it ran a lot. Well, I've been wanting a bigger air compressor, but I wanted to get something that was affordable and just good enough to stand up for the few times I use it a year. But mostly I just needed it to go up to a certain PSI for the trailer tires. So I chose this McGraw mostly for the price. It has some good reviews. It is a Harbor Freight special. I got it $90 off, so I picked this up for like 230 bucks. And if you have the Harbor Freight card, it's 0 interest for 12 months, so I don't have to really rush to pay this thing off. So it's really nice, good price. I'm very happy with the build quality. It looks really nice and it's easy to roll around. So what am I going to use this for? Filling these things up for one, adjusting the tire pressure on these when I tow. And lastly, the trailer. So it does have like a huge handle here to adjust the PSI. Gauges are very visible. Nice handle to wheel back and forth. So I'm talking regular voice. So it's not the quietest, but it's not horrible really. It's actually kind of a soothing white noise sound. Pretty much comes assembled. Got to add the wheels, which is really easy. Is a 15 millimeter wrench on each side, and comes very well boxed. It's a thick box. So far I'm really happy with the purchase. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so I've had the McGraw compressor for probably about a couple of weeks, and I've been using it quite a bit. I love the size of the compressor. It fits in a really small area. You can see how I just kind of squeeze it in there. And the handle makes for a good place to roll up the hose. So far, I really highly recommend this compressor. It filled up everything I needed to really fast, and it's very easy to use. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Get out there and build something.